Welcome to our new class of general knowledge. So we are starting with the GK and we'll do chapter 1 in this session. So our chapter 1 says about safety in our hands. So children, when we are walking on the road or doing a work, we must keep something in our mind. There are some rules to every work which we should keep in our mind. Now let's see what we have to learn in this lesson. The first question says, write yes for right statement and no for wrong one. Now let's do it. The first statement is, I sometimes try to get on a moving bus. So children, this is a very dangerous thing to do. So you should not do it. So it is a wrong statement. What do we have to write here? We should write here N-O, no. Second statement is, I blindly run and cross the road. So when you are crossing on the road, then what should you do? You should always look that all the vehicles are not there and you should cross the road through a zebra crossing. So you should not blindly run and cross the road. This is a wrong statement. We are going to write here no. I sit a bit far from the window of the bus. So this is a very good thing that you must do when you are on in a bus. Then what should you do? You should not sit close to the window or should not take your head out of the window or hand out of the window. This could be very dangerous. So you must sit a bit far from the window of the bus. So this is a right statement. So we will write yes. I use zebra crossing to cross the road. So children, you must use the zebra crossing. You must have seen on the road that there are some lines drawn to cross, to go from one side to another. So those lines are called the zebra crossing. So this is a right statement and we will write here yes. Before crossing the road, I look left, right and left again. So children, when you are crossing the road, then what should you do? You should first look to the right, then to the left and then right again. So this is a wrong statement. You should look to the right first, then left and then right again and then cross the road. This is a wrong statement and we will write no. I never keep distance from the front vehicle. So children, have you seen your father driving a vehicle, either a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler? So what happens on the road when you are on the road driving a vehicle? You must keep some distance from the vehicle in front of you. Why? Do you know that? Yes, if the vehicle in front of you stops suddenly, you don't clash on it. This is why we should keep a little distance from the vehicle in front of you. So when you don't keep a distance from the front vehicle, it is a bad thing. So this statement is not a correct one. We will write no to it. I hope you have written all these answers so that we can move forward. Yes, our next statement is, finding no seat in a school bus, I choose to sit on the footboard. Footboard means pawdan. So, would you like to sit on the footboard? No. So, when you don't find a seat, keep standing. So, this is a wrong statement. You will write no. I wear seat belts when I am traveling by car. So, when you are in a car, you should always put on your seat belts. This is a safety for you. If there is a brake suddenly pressed by the driver, then you don't clash onto the car. So this is a right statement and we'll write yes. I hope you have done it in your book. So children, do all this work in your book and let's see what we have to do next. Now, in the next question, it is asked that there are traffic lights shown. Children, when you walk on the road, you must have seen the traffic lights. Now, let's see what these traffic lights represent. Look at the traffic light. What does each light say? So, you can see 3 lights shown: red, yellow, and green. So, now let's see what these lights mean. Here is a clue box given below, and we'll take help of this clue box. Now, red light is to stop. TO2 STOP, stop. So, red light means you should stop. Yellow or amber light. There's a yellow light which means to get alert. To get alert. And of course, the green light means to move. To move. I hope children you have learnt a lot in this chapter, and I hope you will follow it when you are on road. So let's end up this session. Meet you in the next session. Have a nice day. Bye bye.